Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad with cucumber. First, ensure your chicken is cooked and cooled. Shred or dice about 2 cups of chicken. Next, prepare your fresh cucumber by dicing it into small, uniform pieces. You'll want about 1/2 cup. Combine these with a good quality mayonnaise, starting with about 1/4 cup, and mix gently. This forms the delicious base of our salad. To truly elevate your chicken salad, consider adding fresh herbs. A 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill or chives works wonderfully. A small squeeze of lemon juice, perhaps 1 teaspoon, brightens all the flavors. Don't forget to season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Taste as you go to achieve your perfect balance. A dash of Dijon mustard also adds a nice tang. For extra crunch, finely chop 1/4 cup of celery or red onion and mix it in. If you enjoy a sweeter profile, try adding 1/2 cup of halved red grapes or toasted pecans. The key is to achieve your preferred texture. If the salad seems too dry, add more mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon at a time, until it reaches your desired creaminess. Mix everything thoroughly but gently. Your delicious cucumber chicken salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it chilled on your favorite bread, with crackers, or as a light and refreshing lettuce wrap. For best results, let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Store any leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days. And hey, for an amazing way to keep your kitchen clean, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.